Mainly, it's about us learning more about programming, about confronting problems that we might not get in a normal curriculum, and under tight constraints, like what a real-world problem would be, and then solving as many of them as possible as quickly as possible.
This year, we're sending our 7th team to the World Finals, which is exceptional for a school our size. And as a result of this, we have companies that come to the department and ask specifically for a list of team members on the programming team. Google, Microsoft will set up interviews just for members of the programming team, and they always like to buy us pizza and stuff. We're super excited. In May, we get to host the World Finals. Last year, they were held in Phuket, Thailand, and I got to go on that trip, and that was great. But we're excited to bring the World Finals to Rapid City and to bring them back to the United States.
I joined the programming team because one of my professors told me that I would enjoy it, and she was incredibly correct. That was Dr. Logar, for anyone who knows who that is.
There's a lot of really challenging stuff, and we get to learn a lot beyond what we do in our classes. I specifically like it because I really love the feeling of thinking really hard on a problem and then finally that moment where you understand it and you can know how to solve it. That just always felt really good to me.
Back when I was a sophomore in high school, I wanted to break the RSA encryption algorithm. I got into mathematics and problem solving, a lot of what the programming team does. So by the time I got to college, it was everything I had done back when I was a sophomore in high school, and I really loved it.
We just got second place in our most recent competition, and it was actually pretty stressful. There was lots of running around the building trying to figure out what was going on. The competition had a lot of errata, so we kept getting problem updates partway through the competition. So it was really stressful to work on that. It was a ton of fun though.
The reason I like the programming club is because we get to attack these really challenging problems, and we get to take what we've taken from class and learned, and we get to apply it. And so by the time you get back to your class, everything you've learned in class becomes easy, and then you excel in your classes, and you hardly try, you get an A in the class, and you just spend like 8 hours programming every day, and boom, that's the solution. And the programming club is a good way to do that. It makes you a better programmer in general, and even if you're not a computer science major, even as a mechanical engineer, civil engineer, or chemical engineer, odds are you're going to be coding in your lifetime. The best way to get good at programming is through practice, and that's all we do. We practice, 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 and there's so many people around who mentor you, who do that, and you get to learn so much. It's worth it, even if you never go to Worlds.